Okay, let's go ahead and build our chalkboard real fast here. So let's grab a cube and let's draw out the front of our chalkboard like so, and we'll make it a little thick like that. I'm gonna grab this front one, bevel the front polygon in like so, shift click, push it back. Now we have this. Let's rotate it a little bit here like that. We'll skew it, well, we can skew it to local action center up like that, and I'm going to make it not quite as thick. There. Now, since we got that, let's go ahead and build our stand for it. So let's get another cube and let's just draw out a backing for it like so. There we go. And let's rotate it around. To match the angle there of our chalkboard. Okie dokie. Now let's go ahead and select around the center of this. I'm going to run a loop slice, symmetry, count of 2. And I'm going to put them close to the edges, like that. Now I can grab this polygon and this polygon, and we can extrude them. This is simple stuff here. Let's bring this on down. Well, like, let's see, till it touches the ground. Okay, now let's run a loop slice around here. And around this one too. That way I can select these polygons. On the front and back here. Like that. And hit the B key for bevel. And bevel them out to create our feet. Now let's go ahead and select the whole thing. And let's scale it in to where it's not quite so wide. And let's adjust it. Like so. We can pull it forward some. Okay, looks like it's still a little off, so let's bring it over. Let's rotate it. About like that. And that's looking okay, I guess, for now. It's a little off kilter, but we're not worried about that right at the moment. I can fix all that off camera, and you guys can too. Now we have our chalkboard put into place there. So now let's go into our layout, okay? And under meshes, if you look around, you can find a few things like books. Like right here is our book. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our shelf. No, I'm going to take our tables and lamp here, and I'm going to take this book and I'm going to drag it and drop it. Okay, then I'm going to hit the R key so I can scale this thing way up. Now with our action center on automatic, it's give us our books, and we can move them around without them going all different directions on us here. Okay, so you might need to scale these. You can see how big they are. So if you hit the R key, you can scale them down and put them in place. Okay. Now that has some books on our shelf there. And also, if you want to, you can put some things on your more things on your table. Like here is a notebook we can put on there. Now there's our notebook. I'm going to lay it on top of the table. like so. We can tilt it up. Okay, there's that. And now we can go through and get a few more things like decorative accessories, and we can put a bowl on our tabletop there. Okay, you see we got our bowl there. And we can also put a candle on there if you like. So let's go ahead, take a candle and stick it on there. And let's scale it up. Okay. Now it looks like we got a candle on our table here. Now let's see here. What else can we? There's our books, our table and lamps, our candle. Let's take our bowl and move it up some. Okay, now we have this rough scene here. As you can see, I've went in and placed my books and a few things on the table. Now what I want you guys to do is I want you to fill your shelves up with books, and I want you to decorate the top of your tables with a few loose items. And we will see you guys in the next video. I'll have my bookshelf filled up, and I'll have a few things scattered on the desk, and we'll see you then.